This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Tuesday, December 16th. Huge move up in the market today. Dow up 4%. Fed came out, cut interest rates 3/4 of a point, and then outlined numerous activities they're going to take to sturdy the credit markets, and Wall Street liked what they heard. Nice little squeeze put on the shorts. Here we have the Dow 15-minute chart. You can see we've got a trend line now, support at 8,600. Resistance remains 9K. We're also looking at seeing a golden cross on the 15-minute chart, 50-day up through the 200-day moving average. Last time it happened after the rally. We had expected more to come out of it, and it didn't. So even on that last one, we had about a 600-point move. So if we take that 600-point move from Dow 8,600, we're looking at 9,200 possible upside. Of course, a retrace is likely tomorrow. RSI is very overbought. But if we flip to the daily chart, huge breakout today on the Dow daily chart. We closed above the 50-day moving average and the downtrend line that's been in place since the 11K highs on the Dow. So quite significant. RSI took a little uptick. Possible upside over the next month on the Dow 9,700. However, if we're to take the typical symmetrical triangle breakout, that would be this little triangle here. High 9,600, low 7,400, 2,200 point move, and add that to 8,700. We've got a possible over the next few weeks move to 11K. Seems really unrealistic, but that would be your classic move off this kind of breakout on the Dow. VIX continues its breakdown, which is a great sign for swing traders. SMH, as I've been saying, tech stocks flipped very positive about a week ago and continue today. We had a close above the 50-day moving average. Target here is a move to 22 over the next few weeks. And a couple of ways to take that. If you look at the top back at 31, the low 14, that's a $17 range. 50% of that is 8. Add the 8 to here to the, add $8 to this. We're essentially doing a 50% Fibonacci retracement, and you're looking at a move to 22 as well. Support now, 20-day exponential 1723. So pullbacks to that area is where you would look to pick up scalps. RSI continuing to build above 50, and things look really, really good in Techland. As you can see, the NASDAQ closed just below its 50-day moving average, and this is a common theme that we're going to go into a little bit more on the video. BKHM target, first target, 50-day moving average. That is our target right now. That seems to be the magnet for the indices and for a lot of stocks that have been running. So 56 cents and then 68 cents are our target on BKHM. FNSR, decent earnings a few days ago, should be ready for a breakout move here. Target 56 cents. That's about 30% plus upside on this one. Genworth, GNW, been a monster winner for us over the last 2 weeks. Hit our third target today, the 50-day moving average, and then continued nicely higher on that. Should be pretty much out of this stock now. 3/4 gains booked, and then you can ride the remainder of position free for all intents and purposes. AIG, this is another insurance stock coiling for a move. Breakout would be 203 on this one, so keep a really close eye on AIG. Sent out a trading alert today on E-Trade, ETFC. Nice big move on this one today on heavy volume. I think this is going to be our next big financial mover. Breakout is $1.40 on this one, but would be looking to accumulate everything you can in the $20s area. Obama's new plan, where the government, part of the stimulus package, is to buy up mortgage debt, and the Fed's announcement today that they're going to be a major buyer in that, should help stocks like ETFC, which has a bunch of mortgage debt on its books. And there's also rumors floating around there that Goldman Sachs may pick them up to get the banking aspect of E-Trade. But really think this is like Genworth back at the $1.30 area where we were buying a month ago, and now it's up in the threes. So first target here, 50-day moving average, common theme on our plays from now, $1.67. If we look down, all the other indicators look really, really good, but I'm liking the potential for E-Trade as a swing play for us over the next couple of weeks. OPWV hit the 50-day moving average today. That's up 20 cents or about 40% move on this one over the last 2 weeks since we picked this one. This one looks like it really could start motoring. Huge cash balance on this one. No reason why this can't make its way back up to 90 cents to a dollar in a market like this. RSI up over 50, positive ADX cross, stochastics building nicely. So far, another nice winner for the video. Another new play today, EGHT. This is an old favorite of ours, but stock very close to a big breakout here. Target, again, 50-day moving average, 61 cents. These guys have lots of cash, cash flow positive. They make money. They have no debt. And, you know, the chart looks really, really good here. And in an economy like this, the product that they sell is in high demand. So this one looks really, really good. Volume was up nicely today. And all the indicators say watch this one for a big move near term. Would accumulate this one 45 cents and under. And, you know, we're looking for a 50% move on it near term. Sanmina, nice move today. This one's getting ready for its big breakout. Another tech stock that should never have been down here, that should do well in the upcoming weeks. Going to make a quick mention on Sirius. I didn't add anything to the chart here, but this is the kind of stock that could really take off. Traders have pretty much forgotten about it. When the morons in Congress finally agreed to give these guys, the auto companies, some bailout money, this could be a big beneficiary. And the stock likes to run this time of year. Close over 18 cents. The 20-day exponential sets this one free for at least a move to its 50-day moving average at 27 cents. And when you're talking about a stock at 14 cents, that's, you know, 100% upside with, you know your downside at this stage. Stock's not going to zero anytime soon. So risk reward, very attractive here near term. Biotech stocks have been busting out huge over the last couple of days. Yesterday we had mRNA. Stock ran from 25 cents all the way up to 90 cents. Today's huge monster play was NSV. This stock was at 8 cents and got as high as 60 cents. So for that reason, we continue to play our TELK. Massive cash position. NRGN is another one. Massive cash position. KERX, another biotech down in this area. Charts shaping up nicely on these. They've got high cash and, you know, the potential for moves like we've seen on mRNA and ANSV are there right now in this market. So shotgun approach on these cash-rich stocks, looking for, you know, doubles, triples on them in this kind of market. A bank stock to keep an eye on here near term, AIB, Allied Irish Banks. This is one of the big Irish banks. Chart is looking really, really close to a big breakout move here. A move or a close over 618, and you could see a 50% move on this one. Your stops would be $5 here. And, you know, maybe a move over 6 would be your trigger point on this one. But the foreign banks were doing particularly well today. And if the financial rally continues, this is definitely a stock. It's been decimated over the last couple of months that could see a pretty substantial rebound if this financial move continues. So again, you know, market up huge today, but a lot of the indicators look really, really good for the near term. Bears could be quite disappointed. Yes, the economy sucks balls. Everything's bad, but doesn't mean stocks can't put on one mother of a short squeeze, and we can't see a very nice Santa rally, at least into Obama's swear-in January. You got to be happy. Market really likes that we elected Obama. Anytime he says anything, we're rallying. A lot of hope out there, and hopefully we see some nice follow through. It is options expiration this week, so keep that in mind. And see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Good night.